We started managing this account on the 1st of November actually, because as you can see currently we are at 1270 listings, 14th of November currently, and so it's under our management for 2 weeks. Recently we had a day where we had already $557 in sales, which ended up being $117 in profit, which is absolutely amazing, right? The goal is to get this account to 3K profit a month. The way we do it is through, well, a certain way of gathering experienced dropshippers or sellers and using product substitution.
I want to talk a little bit about getting to $100 a day in profit from like a day-to-day standpoint. So those of you guys watching the video and want to do it yourself, we can kind of talk about what that takes. And then those of you guys who are considering us managing the account, I'll put a link in the description so you could jump in a smaller group and talk to you.
So what I think is important to take away is that we overlook the accounts ourselves. We do quality control checks on the accounts every single day, and we put active effort into training people to work exactly how we do. There might be days where we would actually be doing the listing ourselves. We take full responsibility for the results of the account. So yeah, it's just a consistent effort of listing, which we do it manually, everything, which just takes a lot more time. It's going to take, if you were to do it on your own, it's going to take 2 to 3 hours.
Alright, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to talk about how to take an account from 0 sales to making $100 profit a day within 2 weeks. So my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. I have Joran on the channel, which I've had him on before. We've recently started an agency. He's taken his own account to selling $23,000 a month or two ago, and you could check a link in the description to that video. But we are giving you an update on one of the accounts that we've been managing for 2 weeks that has hit $100 profit. So you're going to learn exactly how we've done that, how many listens are required, and that type of stuff. So Joran, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah, what's up everyone? My name is Joran. I've been dropshipping on eBay since about 6 months. I had pretty good success with my own account, which, as Mark said, you can watch the storyline of that in previous videos, which you can see in the description. And yeah, we started an agency recently, and right now, I'm not sure if it's already on your screen. If not, I will just share it right now. We're going to be talking about an account that we are managing, and let me see if I can open it up. So as you can see here, we started managing this account on the 1st of November actually. So when we started listing, you can see there's been like a fairly growing line, right, with some ups and downs in between, which is fairly normal at low listings, right? Because as you can see currently we are at 1270 listings, 14th of November currently, and so it's under our management for 2 weeks. Recently we had a day where we had already $557 in sales, which ended up being $117 in profit, which is absolutely amazing, right? The goal is to get this account to 3K profit a month, and right now we are averaging $50 with high peaks, and we're gonna aim to grow this account more and more. The way we do it is through, well, a certain way of gathering experienced dropshippers or sellers and using product substitution. Yeah, that's basically our tactic. I have a lot of experience with it. I'd like to say that I am the one that started like making it a very popular thing nowadays, and I'm trying to help others with exactly achieving what I achieved.
Right, and I agree with you because I've been dropshipping a very long time, and over the past 2 years, we've been making a lot of videos going back and forth between bulk listing and product substitution. But Joran actually putting a lot of work, listed consistently for a relatively short space of time and showed some crazy results. So you went on and trained a couple VAs to sit down and actually execute on a daily basis. I want to talk a little bit about getting to $100 a day in profit from like a day-to-day standpoint. So those of you guys watching the video and want to do it yourself, we could kind of talk about what that takes. And then those of you guys who are considering us managing the account, I'll put a link in the description so you could jump in a smaller group and talk to Joran, right? But I think what is interesting to compare is I started my 90-day challenge a couple days before this, right? And I think one of the big differences is the fact that there's someone in this account listing almost 100 listings a day every single day. And I don't have someone helping me list on my account for the 90-day challenge. I don't plan to because I want to show what is possible. But one of the challenges that I personally face, and I'm still going to get to the $25,000 in a month sales within 90 days. But one of the challenges is between managing this eBay account, posting videos on YouTube every day, answering one-on-one calls. There's no actual individual dedicated to listening every day. And I think it's interesting because it just took 2 weeks to get $100 profit. Did I have $100 profit in my account? Yes. Is it as consistent as this account? Not currently, because I'm just not listing. Like you could see in 14 days, 1,270 listings went up, right? And on the weekends, if you take out the weekends and the VA is only working Monday to Friday, he might be ahead of the game on 100 listings a day. Do you
Right.
agree,
So,
Ron?
so what I think is important to take away is that we overlook the accounts ourselves. We do quality control checks on the accounts every single day, and we put active effort into training people to work exactly how we do. There might be days where we would actually be doing the listing ourselves, and but we take full responsibility for the results of the account. So yeah, it's just a consistent effort of listing, which we do it manually everything, which just takes a lot more time. It's gonna take, if you were to do it on your own, it's gonna take 2 to 3 hours. So a managed account is
Like
just really,
minimum, like I would, you say,
well,
you're on, you say 2 to 3 hours because it takes you 2 to 3, like 1 to 2 hours to list 100 items, maybe
yeah.
three. But when I look at like the typical user to list 100 items between someone getting distracted, someone like depending on the speed of their computer, I would more say 3 to 4 hours.
Yes, no, I would agree with that. I would agree with that. And I think what's just people don't have that time free in their day. Unless you're doing this full time, you can definitely do this. If you don't and you're watching this video and this sounds interesting to you, then it would be a great opportunity to make something on the side. We are confident in this strategy that it's working. As you can see on this account, it's already working. Yeah,
Right. When I
that's
look at the listing impressions, you had 1.7 million. That's actually pretty good for 2 weeks. Wow.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Like it's actually it's going quite well. Like the account, it's not Dutch like mine. This is actually a USA account, so the amount of impressions is a lot better. I think the way it grows is also just faster and better. I mean, I can see it in the way it makes profit already. With 1/3 of the listings that I had, it's making like kind of the same low key now, the same as my Dutch account. So
Ah,
yeah, it's just a proven method. We are not sharing every single thing because Mark and me have a way of finding actually really good drop shippers and a way how we filter them out to optimize this strategy. So yeah, we can't actually share every single thing, right? But yeah, like I said, this is what we're currently doing and we're having success with it. And if you would like to have a piece of the pie, then don't hesitate to reach out.
I hope you also get that this is possible, right? So I would urge you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to continuously do updates. This is a follow-up update. I did an update on this account, I want to say maybe like a week ago. So you could go check out that video. But again, as Euron said, there's a link in the description where you could actually talk to us about how to get started, about how to get your account to making $100 a day. So if you think about it, the person who owns this account on that day, what day was that? November 10th?
November 12th was the biggest profit day.
Right. So he would have made $58 profit, and then we would have made $58 profit because it's a 50-50 split. But out of our $58 profit, we also have a responsibility to make sure the account is run properly. We have employees involved in it, and the owner of the account is truly receiving passive income. Whatever they did that day, whether they went to work, whether they had another job, whether they have no job, they would have made $58 on November 12th doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So guys, you have anything you want to share before we go, Yaron?
No, not really. I mean, I think you hit the nail on the head there. I think the person does absolutely nothing. We manage everything from the account, order fulfillment, customer service. It's a full done for you package, and all you really need to have is an eBay account, an Amazon account, and a separate device, and that's it.
And a couple $100, maybe 500
Yeah.
to $1,000 to fulfill orders. Because I
Yes.
don't want someone asking us to manage their account and then like you have $0. Because when, let's say that day that $500 was sold, that money is not in, even if eBay was paying every day, as Olivier and some of the other guys have recently got, that $500 would not have gotten to the bank account yet to process the order. So they would have needed maybe like $200 or $300 in a credit card or bank account to fulfill that day of $537 in sales. So that is necessary. You know what
Yes.
I mean?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Exactly.
all right, guys. So again, like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions and you want immediate responses, you could go to the link in the description and jump in our Telegram group and ask right away. If you have any like questions that you don't need immediate responses, you could put that in the comment section. And this is just a quick update. It took 2 weeks to get this account to make it $100 a day. I think this gives you a lot of context in what you could do as well if you have the time and the information and you execute on a daily basis efficiently. So have a good one, guys. I don't want to waste any more time. Like, subscribe.